move so slow. I know I gotta go, but I can't get anyway. 'Cause I'm still in love. 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 Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make.
Okay y'all, so the first thing I usually do when I do my makeup is my eyebrows, because it's usually the hardest thing for me to do, especially on camera. Like, it's so freaking hard. So I'm just gonna go in with this black eyeshadow color and I'm just gonna start filling in my brows. And I'm gonna be looking in this little mirror too, y'all, but I don't really have a topic for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video anyway, whether I'm talking, whether I'm just doing my makeup. I'm just hoping you guys enjoy it. I just feel like I've been doing a lot of hair videos, so it's about time for me to take a break. Anyways, I've been wondering how you guys been, what you guys been up to. Y'all know I gotta ask y'all what's tea, because y'all know your girl is nosy. I just be liking to know what's be going on, what be going on in y'all life, what y'all got going on. I don't know if I did mention on my channel or not, but your girl did just recently turn 25 on the 13th of June, you guys. And I don't know, it's been really hitting me a little bit hard. Like, I just set goals that were just too high for myself. And I guess you don't realize that when you're young. And then it just hits you when you actually turn the age and you're like, oh dang, I got some catching up to do. Yeah, that's where your girl's standing right now. My mind, it was like an immediate switch. It was like, I need to go harder. When I want something, or when I put my mind to something, you can't tell me nothing about what I want to do. You can't tell me I'm not gonna accomplish it, because I am. So, like I always say in my every makeup video, eyebrows are sisters, not twins. No, they are not perfect, but they are worth it. Period. I know y'all gonna be like, why is she putting lipstick on her face? But listen, hear me out. This has been working for your girl. So I have been taking just a little brush and something that's red. I don't have any red eyeshadow or anything, so I just been using this red lipstick because I really don't care. And I mainly just put it on the areas that are just super dark, like under my eyes. I be looking scary. It be looking like somebody punched a girl in the face, but I wish you would. Let me stop, because I did tell y'all a video about how I got punched in the face. I'm different now though. Ain't no girl finna just walk up on me and just pop pop, because I'm gonna have to pop pop.
Boy, if you don't get...
Now I'm gonna go in with my, this is my Blizz Beauty foundation, y'all. This is just some old Dollar General makeup that, you know, your girl cheap. So the makeup cheap, the clothes cheap, the hair cheap, y'all. We just real cheap over here. They might as well put me on one of those episodes where they be being real cheap. I know I saw this one episode where this lady was so cheap. She was reusing dishwater to eat spaghetti.
Oh my God!
People really that cheap that they gonna use their dishwater to cook with? The dishwater that you just cleaned your dirty dishes out with. Oh, okay. Them people be crazy. But I'm almost out of foundation, y'all, so I'm just gonna, you know, be a little ghetto and just, you know, do it like that. Hopefully I have enough while I'm playing. I might not even have enough for this video. I'm gonna be so sad if I don't. Hold on, because I'm gonna be super sad if I don't have enough. Y'all, hold on. Let's see if we can work a miracle real fast. Because I don't know. Okay. We getting a little something out of there. We getting a little something out of there. As long as I have enough to at least cover my face, it don't even matter if it's fully covered. As long as I can like cover my face, I'm fine. Okay? It ain't that big of a deal as long as I can cover my face. Alright, we look a mess, but baby, no product going to waste over here. We using it all. So I'm getting my $6 worth out of that. Period. I remember the time when I didn't know how to do makeup, y'all. Your girl is growing up, getting older. And that just brings me right back to the topic of me getting older, me feeling like I gotta have everything together. Pressure from all different directions making me feel like I need to have this, I need to have that. I'm doing my concealer now, but y'all, it's like I don't know why. Well, I guess I do know why I'm all of a sudden now feeling all of this pressure to be great. It's because I've obviously, like I said, I just turned 25, so it's just like a big day. Well, to me it is. Like, and the reason why I say that is because like when I was younger, I expected myself to have done all of these things and experienced all this stuff in life, y'all, and I haven't experienced anything. Like nothing. Age ain't nothing but a number, but it's like, dang sis, what have I been doing with myself for me to be in this position right now? I'm learning not to get in my feelings. I just been trying to work on not beating myself up when I see someone else has accomplished something. Like, I don't have to put myself down just because I see somebody have accomplished something that I wanted to do. Like, if anything, that should make me want to go harder. Although I do YouTube, I love to do YouTube, I also try to stay off the internet because it can get you to thinking so bad about yourself. Like, I don't come here to just show off what I have and what I have going on, but that's social media for you. People come on here and they show off everything they have, and to be real, it's not even in their name.
And
no offense to if that's happening to somebody, I'm sorry. I don't mean nothing by it, but I'm just giving y'all examples of like, you can put anything on social media. You put on social media what you want people to see. I just don't want y'all to get into no funky over some bull crap like that, because it ain't worth it. It ain't worth getting yourself worked up about not having what somebody else has or not being successful at this age. Because sis, as long as you know you working for it, you out here working hard and you doing everything you need to get done to achieve what you want to achieve, like, you good, boo. I don't know, I'm just trying to prevent y'all from getting in y'all feelings and doing some things you might regret just because you see somebody else who's doing it on the internet, or you feeling some type of way because you haven't achieved this and someone else has. Like, your time will come. Sit back, relax, chill out, boo. Go eat you a Kit Kat. Just chill out. You know, everything is gonna work out. Everything's gonna fall in place as long as you're doing what you need to do. You gotta work hard for what you want. Period. That BBL you want, baby, you gotta come out of pocket. You think you just gonna wake up one morning and then you gonna have some money in your bank account and you gonna be rich and you gonna have all these houses, all these businesses, and not do nothing to get there? Girl, I thought I was crazy. You crazy. If you think that, you crazy. I've almost scraped this thing clean, but I'm gonna use it anyway, and I'm gonna go over my gold with this color, because I be liking the pop, you know, Shazam. I be wanting him to see me from across the room. And when I say him, I'm talking about my man. Y'all know your girl taken and happy at that. Y'all know when people be trying to talk to me and people be like, you got a man? I be like, yo, and I'm happy. So you got to tell them that you happy, you doing good, he taking care of you, and he doing what he got to do. So they be like, oh, all right, for sure, he doing his thing, for sure, and they leave me alone. Y'all know what it's like when them men be trying to holler at y'all and y'all be trying to come up with I'm talking about every single lie in the book. I be making up all type of stuff, y'all. I do not be playing I do not be playing. When you're a woman and you walk past men that are trying to talk to you, it is so important to have some type of earphones, some type of person you can act like you're talking to, because that is my main thing that I do now. I ignore them by acting like I'm on the phone. I promise you it works every single time. I'm going to be putting on some lashes today, and I didn't actually buy these from the store. These actually came with this hair that I'm wearing today, you guys. If you guys want to know a little bit more information about this hair, this is 3 bundles of a 16, 18, and 20-inch straight hair that I got off Amazon for the low, and it's human hair. So y'all already know I'm going to drop everything you need to know in the description box below. And I'm gonna go ahead and pop on these lashes, you guys. You guys want these lashes? Y'all gonna have to purchase some hair, boo. Okay, y'all gonna have to come out of pocket. Okay, but these lashes giving me very much 10 out of 10. Giving me very much bad B. You know exactly what I want to look like. I look crazy talking with one lash on. Let me put this other one on. Okay, but these lashes are bomb. I low-key might have to just buy some more hair just to get some of these lashes, because it's giving what it's supposed to give. It's giving. But I'm gonna go ahead and take my LA Colors matte setting spray, y'all, and I'm gonna spray my face to set it. I made this test tube of lip gloss because I wanted to start selling my own lip gloss, and it was kind of a fail, and it was like I'ma still use it type of thing, so I'm still use it. But it's just glitter lip gloss. I just put glitter and lip gloss gel in here, and I'm just gonna pop it on my lips. Really remembering why it was a fail is because it's not glossy enough for me, but I ain't gonna lie like I don't like it, you know what I'm saying? I like it. It's cute, you know, it's giving what it's supposed to give, but I just wish it was a little bit more glossier, you know. I got these little eyeliner pencils, or they're like liquid stamps, but they're made like eyeliner pencils, and I'm just gonna show you guys one up close. So this is the one I use all the time. It has a heart on it, and when you open it, there's actually a heart stamp. I don't know, hopefully you guys can see that, but it's actually the shape that's on here is the shape that's on the stamp, and then on the other side it's just a regular liner. So yeah, it's like this on all of them. So I have some flowers on this one. I also have one with stars on it, and then I have another one with the moon on it. And I really like this one. I don't know what I want to do with this one, but I plan on just changing up my little stamp under my eye. But for now, your girl has really been feeling the heart, so I'm going to use the heart stamp under my eye. But I just take the stamp and literally you just press it on your face, and it comes off super cute. It's my thing, and I love it. And I love it because it's my thing. But anywho, you guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I didn't really talk about much today, and this was a really lengthy video, but technically it is me spending time with y'all. Like, y'all do like me, right? I really hope you guys enjoyed the video today. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. Come join the crew. And make sure you guys have those post notifications turned on, blue, so you can get notified every single time your girl uploads a video. Period.
The days move so slow. I know I gotta go, but I can't get anyway. 'Cause I'm standing